In this video, I'll show you how to use OsMA indicator in a simple, easy and powerful way to trade binary options. And as I say in all of my videos, no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from some paid course, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account, and if you think it is working for you, then only use it in your real account. And after watching this video, if you think this video added some value to your life, then make sure to like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is select the currency pair that you want to trade on, and then select the candlestick. Make sure this Japanese candlestick is selected and set the time frame. The time frame should be M1. That means each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Similarly, you can select the trading duration, that would be also M1, that is 1 minute. Your trade will be 1 minute, and then you can put the amount that you want to invest. Okay, so once you have done this much, then just click on here and then select this OsMA indicator. Okay, and then enlarge it a little bit and you'll see this kind of histograms. Now using OsMA indicator is extremely easy and it can be highly profitable if you use it in the way that I am going to show you in this video. So what you can see here is market is going up. Right now here you can see the histogram is also going up. This histogram is going up, but it is still at this point, but histogram have started to fall down. Now this is the signal where you need to make the trade by clicking on lower. Similarly in previous, let's see at this previous, here you can see okay, let's see at here. So here also it is, market is going up and down, little bit up and down, right? And then you can see histogram is increasing. Now these are the places where you can make trade by clicking on higher. Here also you can see, so whenever the market starts to go up, then histogram will also show you that market is going up, and at that point, at any of this midpoint, wherever you feel like it is going upward, this histogram are going upward, then you can make trade by clicking on higher in an easy way. Okay, in below also it is the same thing, but some people use it like whenever histograms comes from year to year, then they trade on lower, and some trade on like if histogram goes here from here, then they trade a higher, and most probably the trade are going to go wrong if you use it in that way. Okay, but if you use in this way, the way I am showing you, whenever histogram is increasing, make sure that increment is happening. Okay, then only make trade by clicking on higher. Here also you can see it is still at here, but it is falling down, and if you make a trade, okay, let's make a trade by clicking on lower, and most probably your trade is going to be right at here. You can see in all of this previous chart. Let's see at this point also, here you can see histogram is increasing, but it is little bit flat at here. Right now this is the place where you need to avoid the trade, because as you can see here also market have started to become flat, and it have stopped increasing and started to decrease. Right now this here are the place where you can make a trade by clicking on lower. So okay, now let's wait for this trade to close. As you can see, it is beautifully going down. Okay, and most probably this trade is going to be right. 21 seconds remaining. I will do fast forward for this timing. So 3 seconds remaining, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we made the profit of $88. So that's it guys. In this way you can use the OsMA indicator.